So hello guys, today we'll see that how to add a custom audio player, that is Sowndwave, to your normal audio player and make it stylish, just like audio player HTML tag. If I will go here and you'll see this is the normal audio player, and but if you want to add this audio player to your normal audio player, you can just go to this repo and use these two CDNs and a little bit code, a little bit JavaScript that will initialize the player. And let's go and paste the code here. That is good, and we'll copy this host.mp3. This is the path, or you can also copy this link and for demo you can go here and you can see the demo here. Let's pause it, and this is the audio player we are going to implement. And if you will see in inspection panel, there is not any audio tag here. This is done using the audio API of JavaScript, and we will do using that for this. Let's open CodePen and create a new pen here. And this is our HTML. You can also download this repo and use it, upload it to your projects and then use it. But I am showing you using CDN. You have to add the CSS and JavaScript CDN here. Then you have to specify a container that will contain your audio. Let me give it an ID of audio, and now you have to initialize the script. And here our JavaScript work will be done, and we can also use this, but I am making it for universal purpose, so I am using it here. You just have to initialize a new Sowndwave and pass the options here. For now I'm just copying this, and player is equal to new Sowndwave and your query selector, and in this case we have ID of audio, so we will write hashtag audio, and we will give our audio path here. So we have an audio, sample audio here in sample.mp3. You can also get the raw URL from here or use JSTLiver, then GitHub. Started now. Or use JSTLiver for a better CDN delivery network. Just copy this, and it provides ultimate caching and CDN search for you can know more about JSTLiver from here. See the data, and let's close this. And here is our audio player, and if you want to add more options here, you can also modify the CSS classes. And for modifying the CSS, you have the variables here. Here are the variables. Just copy it and paste it here, and you can change the variables from here, and this will be reflected on whatever, or you can just directly target by inspecting it and getting the class names, that is class Sowndwave wave button this, and overriding this with new CSS, that will be color, improve or border 2 pixel solid thread. Why this is not working? So for modifying the CSS, just go here, go to CSS, and here is the CSS file. You can modify it from here. Just if you will download it, you can easily modify it, and if you want to use the CDN, use the CDN. And after using the CDN, after this link, to overwrite it, then you have to define your styles here. Your style will be here, then it will override the previous CSS. So that's the way you overwrite your CSS. And what if you want these other controls, then you just have to specify the, you can also specify the height and width, and show volume control, show speed control to true, you have to set it. And these are the all 4 options. Just copy it and after this paste it here, and the controls will be shown now. The SVGs take time to load for the first time because they are images, and it's cached now. And if I will see it again, this will load faster. And volume control is also there, and you can also mute, unmute like this. You can also loop, and these are the features. You'll see the little bit animation in the audio player, and you can also set the height width from here. Let's set it to 50 pixel, and see the height is reduced now. So this is the way you can control your audio player. And if you find an issue in this, just like if you find issue in CSS or in the controllers and setting the SVG icon, you can also set the custom SVG icon. Just search for SVG repo and go here and search for any icon you want to add. Just like I will search for play, and then if I want to add this icon, for example this icon, then I can download it and give the path. Or if you have the URL or share SVG, just copy it, and you have to create a new object here that will be SVG icons. Let me copy this and paste it here. And all the SVGs are stopped working because we have not given the correct path. Let me remove this, and I will just add the play icon from here. Just copy this and paste it here. See, new SVG icon has been added, and this is the way you can modify your video play, your audio player. That is this. For video player, you can also consider soap player, and this is also created by me. Just go here, and this is a very old repository. When I was learning JavaScript, I created this using Video.js and some CSS, and here you will find Afterglow and other themes of Video.js also. Some are created by me and some are from internet, from different open source code bases. So I am closing this, and this is the way you can integrate the audio player, it is Sowndwave, to your website. And if you have find any issue, just click on open issue and new issue, and write your issue title and description, and then submit now. And if anyone want to fix it, you can fix it using GitHub. If you know about GitHub, you can fix it and give a PR, or I will try to fix if I will get time, and I will try to fix as soon as possible. I will know. And let's load this. All good. We got 175 views. I just created it 4 hours ago, and this is our repo, and this is the demo. If you have any doubt or want to modify this project, you can just create an issue or say whatever you want in comment, whatever you want in the player in comments, and you can also use discussions for that, and recommend from here, recommend things. So this was the video about Sowndwave, how you can integrate it, and this is the demo website. I will provide all the links in description. Just go ahead and check out there, and I will also add this link to description so you can see the demo. So thanks for watching, and see you later. See, if you want to get the width of 100%, that is in maximum cases, you can set it to 100% also. Let me use some CSS and fix it to the bottom position, absolute, and bottom 0 pixel, and it's here now. And if you are making it absolute, then you have to give it a width of 100%, because we are making it position absolute. And if and in starting, you always should reset the default values. That will be margin 0. By the way, it's not a CSS video, so it can be covered in any other tutorials. That's a good practice to do. This was the thing you can use, and the player is looking good. And you can also add some content here and scrollable things here in the body tag itself. And the HTML is also not a well structured, so you can figure it out using your CSS skills. So if you want any feature, just like adding custom audio name here or something, just go to issues and create If I will get that, I will see that many people want to rectify the same issue or add the feature, then I will add the feature here. It might be optional or by default, it depends on the number of requests. So thanks for watching this video, see you later.